Hey everyone, welcome to Simple Explanation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the software engineering field. Software engineering is a broad field that encompasses the entire process of software creation, from conception to deployment. It involves everything from designing and coding software to testing and debugging it. What is software engineering? Software engineering is a relatively new field, but it has grown rapidly in recent years. This is due to the increasing demand for software in our society. Software is used in everything from our phones and computers to our cars and appliances. As a result, there is a high demand for software engineers. What do software engineers do? Software engineers are responsible for the entire software development process. This includes designing software. Software engineers must be able to understand the needs of the users and design software that meets those needs. Coding software. Software engineers must be able to write code that is efficient, reliable, and easy to maintain. Testing software. Software engineers must be able to test software to ensure that it meets its requirements and is free of errors. Deploying software. Software engineers must be able to deploy software to production environments. What are the skills needed to be a software engineer? To be a successful software engineer, you need to have a strong foundation in computer science. You should also have strong problem-solving and analytical skills. In addition, you should be able to work independently and as part of a team. What is the future of software engineering? The future of software engineering is bright. The demand for software engineers is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. This is due to the increasing complexity of software and the need for software to be more reliable and efficient. Software engineering is a challenging and rewarding field. If you are interested in a career in software engineering, I encourage you to learn more about it. There are many resources available online and in libraries. With hard work and dedication, you can become a successful software engineer. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in next video.